Select one of the 5 types of tips.
I'll show how to use the classic jet tip. If you want to use a different tip, pause the video on the appropriate slide. I'll call attention to the pickpocket tip. It won't steal your money. Use only the lowest pressure setting for this tip.
While the slides are being viewed, I'd like to point out that the reservoir is removable. It sits on top of a rubber seal. My opinion is that installing and removing the reservoir a few times each day will cause wear and tear on the seal. Waterpik sells a replacement seal for $14.99 plus shipping and tax.
Snap the tip into the handle. The tip can be rotated 360 degrees. To remove a tip, press the gray button. Fill the reservoir with warm water. If this is the first time using a new Waterpik, prime the pump. Move the pressure dial to the highest setting. Turn the control switch on until water flows out the nozzle. First-time users start with the lowest pressure. As you use the Waterpik, you can increase the pressure levels as you become accustomed to the previous pressure level. There are 2 rules to avoid shooting water around the bathroom. Turn on only when the tip is in your mouth, and turn off before you remove the tip from your mouth.
Lean over a sink while allowing the water to run out of your mouth. Run the tip along the place where your teeth and gum line meet. Do this on both the inside and outside of your teeth. As best as you can, point the tip 90 degrees at this area.
I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated, and thanks for watching.